Hey everybody, backyard scrapping here. When I was pouring these and getting all the little boxes ready for the BYS sets, I did say that I would make a video when they were finished to show you guys how they looked and get them listed on the website. Magnets are stronger than I thought. But anyway, this is set number 3 or set number 2. So this is how it came out. There's 30.77 grams of silver and 56.80 grams of copper. Boxes are done. And by the way, I'm going to do 2 more sets in this type of box. It's kind of a limited edition thing. The first 5 sets, which the first one went to Man Mountain Link. These 2, believe it or not, are not even going to make it to the website. They are already gone. They are already sold. So this is set number 3, but I did want to show you how they look in the finished boxes. The boxes take me almost as long to do as the metal. So I've actually, I'm going to do two more, like I said, because this is going to be like the first 5 are going to be in these special boxes or these homemade boxes, and they'll be like a limited edition. After that, I'm going to get these floating displays like these, which I already have them, but the sets will actually come in one of these. So if you want one of these boxes, or of the first, the first 5 sets, I'm going to be doing 2 more. I'll make a video when I'm doing them so you guys know when they're available, but these 2 are, like I said, they didn't even make it to the website. They were gone, they were gone just about before I even started making them. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and make 2 more of these. This is probably going to be the shortest video I made ever. And then they'll come in this from now on, and they'll be on, they'll come with a numbered certificate, signed, and, and all that. But they'll be in a display like that. Because I just can't, in the time it takes me to make one of those boxes, I can probably pour 10 more skulls, because these boxes really take up a lot of time. And I actually changed over to doing a magnetic latch, so they're, instead of trying to make a regular latch. So anyway, there they are. I just wanted to show them off because I said I would. I got to get to doing some other stuff. I'm actually working on some ceramic processors right now, which that video will be coming out fairly soon. So I'm gonna let you guys go. This was just a real quickie to show you the finished sets and let you know that they're not on the website. So we'll see you guys in the next video.
I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.